Iran's Ministry of Defense publicly revealed the Sejjil missile for the first time in 2008. This missile is a product of extensive research and development carried out by the IRGC's Aerospace Industries Organization. It was specifically engineered for rapid launch readiness and high target penetration efficiency. Sejjil holds the distinction of being Iran's first long-range missile to use solid fuel in both its propulsion stages. This sets it apart from earlier models like the Shahab 3, which operate on liquid fuel. One of the key advantages of solid fuel is the drastically reduced launch preparation time. In contrast, liquid-fueled missiles require time-consuming and hazardous fueling procedures. Sejjil, however, is pre-fueled and can be launched at a moment's notice, an important factor in Iran's emergency response strategies. This readiness makes Sejjil ideal for maintaining constant launch preparedness. The missile has a two-stage design, with both stages powered by solid composite propellants. The first stage lifts the missile into the atmosphere, while the second stage guides the warhead to its target, increasing speed and precision. Each stage features its own propulsion unit and guidance system, enabling the missile to reach distances of over 2,000 kilometers. Estimates place its range between 2,000 and 2,500 kilometers, giving Iran the capability to strike targets across Western Asia and parts of Eastern Europe. It can reach as far as Israel, U.S. military bases in the region, and even areas around the Mediterranean Sea. Sejjil travels at high altitudes and speeds, making it difficult to intercept. The missile weighs approximately 23 tons and is designed to carry a warhead of about 500 kilograms. These warheads can be high explosive or cluster type, and future models may include multiple or maneuverable re-entry warheads. At present, Sejjil is primarily intended for strikes against military bases and strategic infrastructure. Earlier versions of the missile had a circular error probable, CEP, of around 200 to 300 meters. Newer variants have improved accuracy, now estimated at under 100 meters, thanks to advanced inertial guidance and domestically developed GPS systems. Some variants are also equipped with detachable re-entry vehicles capable of evasive maneuvers in the final phase of flight, helping them bypass missile defense systems. Sejjil is launched from a mobile TEL, Transporter Erector Launcher, enabling it to be deployed quickly across diverse terrains. These mobile platforms can be relocated and hidden efficiently, significantly enhancing Iran's ability to retaliate or deter preemptive strikes. The development of Sejjil marked a major turning point in Iran's missile program. Until its debut, most Iranian missiles relied on liquid propulsion. The success of Sejjil demonstrated Iran's capability to design and manufacture complex solid-fueled systems. Producing solid fuel requires advanced chemical knowledge and technical infrastructure, underscoring Iran's self-reliance in military technology. Initial flight tests confirmed Sejjil's effectiveness, with the missile striking targets over 2,000 kilometers away under varied weather conditions. These tests not only validated guidance systems, but also refined fuel performance. The missile showed resilience against electronic interference, highlighting its robustness in modern warfare environments. Sejjil is manufactured in a classified facility believed to be located underground or in mountainous regions to safeguard against attacks. This facility reportedly has the capacity for serial production, especially during wartime or emergencies. All components, including fuel, navigation systems, and launch equipment, are domestically produced, eliminating the need for foreign technology. Sejjil serves a key role in Iran's strategic doctrine. Its primary mission is to strike critical enemy assets such as air bases, infrastructure, and long-range military targets. Its high speed and extended reach reduce the window of opportunity for enemy response. Furthermore, it can be launched swiftly, and the launch location can be concealed rapidly, making it difficult for adversaries to detect. Despite heavy international sanctions, Sejjil is considered one of the most capable medium-range ballistic missiles in Iran's arsenal. Western defense analysts have acknowledged its advanced capabilities, with some even comparing it to missiles from leading global powers. The missile's development has raised concerns among Iran's adversaries due to its growing long-range strike potential. Currently, Sejjil remains under exclusive Iranian control and has not been exported. Given its strategic value, Iran is unlikely to offer it to other countries. However, the core technologies behind Sejjil may be adapted for use in shorter-range missile systems. Iran maintains a firm policy of using long-range weapons strictly for national defense. The name Sejjil originates from the Holy Quran and refers to stones of baked clay hurled by divine forces, symbolizing both destructive force and spiritual heritage. Iran often names its weapons after religious themes, giving each system symbolic value alongside military utility. Work continues on next-generation Sejjil variants with even better precision and longer ranges. Reports suggest that a MIR-V, multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, version may be in development, which would allow a single missile to release multiple warheads. This would significantly enhance its ability to penetrate enemy defenses. Though Iran has not yet officially revealed such a version, ongoing research suggests it is a priority. Sejjil has undergone numerous military drills, where mobile units were tested across varied terrain to ensure their readiness and resilience. These exercises focused on electronic warfare resistance, operational flexibility, and performance analysis. Sejjil has consistently met expectations during these evaluations. The missile's launch system is advanced and durable. The mobile launcher includes a powerful hydraulic mechanism to raise the missile vertically for launch. It also features a cabin-based control system, streamlining operational procedures and enhancing safety. One of Sejjil's major strengths is its ability to launch in all weather conditions. Solid fuel is more stable and less sensitive to environmental changes compared to liquid fuel. Whether deployed in Iran's hot southern regions or the cold western highlands, the missile performs reliably. It also has a longer shelf life, allowing it to be stored for extended periods without degradation. Iran's advancement in missile technology through systems like Sejjil is not only a military development, but also a political signal to both regional rivals and global powers. By showcasing homegrown engineering capabilities in long-range ballistic missiles, Iran reinforces its narrative of self-sufficiency and resistance in the face of international sanctions and isolation. The development of Sejjil also plays a role in strategic negotiations, giving Iran leverage in diplomatic arenas where military strength is often a factor in power dynamics. Moreover, the presence of missiles like Sejjil in Iran's arsenal adds complexity to the security calculus of neighboring countries and international actors. Defense systems such as Israel's Iron Dome or the U.S. Patriot missile batteries must now account for Iran's solid-fueled capabilities, which reduce reaction time and increase strike unpredictability. As Iran continues to refine and possibly expand the Sejjil program with advanced features such as MIR-V technology, the regional arms race is likely to intensify, prompting shifts in military alliances and defense planning across the Middle East and beyond. In summary, the Sejjil missile represents a critical leap forward in Iran's strategic missile capabilities. With its rapid readiness, extended reach, and solid fuel technology, it strengthens Iran's deterrent posture and showcases its growing independence in advanced military systems.